Oh, yeah.
Oh, right off the fucking rock.
Right off that rock, baby. He needs the net. Oh. That's what he needs.
Whoa. God. There's a GoPro when you need it.
Oh my God.
That guy, right between those two big rocks. Right between those two rocks.
Yo, I just fell in.
Oh.
Is he big? Is he big?
I don't know. He's pulling.
Oh!
Shit.
Eastman monster! Oh! Bring him over here! Oh, off the spook! That's a 5-pounder! That's a 5-pounder!
Holy shit!
That's a 5-pounder! Hold it. Or grab him.
6 fucking casts. Oh my God! Oh, damn! Look at this guy.
Bro, he's a monster.
Oh, PB!
Monster.
Oh.
Dude, and I fell in the lake.
Oh my God.
That was crazy. I'm turning the live well on.
No.
Here.
Oh
Scale. Scale.
Look at this guy, slimy.
Dude.